Bosco's here live with me.
Hello,
and
ladies and
he's
gentlemen,
Live,
it's
and he's got the
Mamun
coolest
Abamai.
tie ever.
Yeah, anybody wants to do a touch up, they can probably look.
Yeah,
at
I want to touch.
It's
and
a
actually-
it's a mirror.
it's a mirror. Actually.
Dazzling.
Are you your own stylist in this show?
I think so. No, I have one, but but mostly I choose my clothes because that's my personality.
For you as a judge, how difficult does it get?
I think the biggest challenge is how to kind of just make the right choice
Huh.
amongst the performers because they're all so good. The challenge is to keep the entire show alive, keep the talent alive, keep the vibe of the show alive. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of So You Think You Can Dance जो
Yes.
abroad के obviously चल रहे हैं वो देखते आ रहा हूँ मैं उसमें ना
American show, yeah.
The American Show तो सब में ना अलग अलग टाइप के जो जजेस है वो सबका अलग अलग मूड रहता है सबका अलग अलग अंदाज रहता है
पर्सनालिटी रहती है.
पर्सनालिटी रहती है आप कौन से कैटेगरी में खुद को डालते हैं
मेरी कोई कैटेगरी नहीं है लगता है. मैं बैठा हूँ वहाँ पर देयर इज टेरेंस द ज्ञानेश्वर बाबा who
Yeah, everybody said he's like the encyclopedia, he's the
encyclopedia.
knowledge book and all of that.
Yeah, he is the Baba. So Baba is there, then the beauty is there, and I'm the beast who's
Oh,
sitting over
I
there.
was waiting that he would say that he would call himself the beast. But do you ever have a serious moment कि यार तुमने ये सही नहीं किया, तुमने ये गलत कर दिया?
यार मैं
Is there that side to Bosco at all?
depends on my work. When I'm probably shooting a song, maybe I'll have a moment like that, but not on a platform like that. I can't get dramatic. I can't get so vocal, and I can't get so. तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? तुमने I can't do that. That's not my personality. Live and let live. I'm a happy guy, so I like to see happy people around.
Your favorite actor on the basis of dancing?
My
On the basis of
favorite actor?
dancing. Yeah.
My favorite, I like Shahid for sure,
Okay.
and Varun
Mm-hmm.
and Ranveer.
Right.
So in one breath, and I can't miss out on Veer, but yeah, these five are my favorite.
So there's
Hrithik
no
Roshan
one,
for
but there
sure.
are 5,
Yeah.
6 of them.
So how are you doing?
I'm absolutely fine. बाबा बन गए हो आप यहाँ पे आके मतलब there's with every show that you venture into there's a new side of Terence Lewis or a new name that is being given to you.
अब क्या करूँ यार? I get bored with myself, so I keep reinventing myself all the time. Audiences have something new to chew. Otherwise they go, yeah, same thing, same time every. So I keep changing my clothes, my looks, my hair. If I had a wish and I could have will, I could probably even change my face all the time. You know?
Really?
I get bored looking at myself. Imagine the audience.
नहीं they love you for sure मतलब लोग
Thank
आपको
you.
बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं ये आपको पता ही चला होगा आपके नाम के फैन क्लब्स हैं सोशल मीडिया पे हर
I'm
जगह
very grateful, really. I'm very grateful to all my fans who really love me and who really look out for my shows. And it's because आप हैं, हम हैं.
सबसे डिफिकल्ट मोमेंट क्या रहा हुआ
When you have to बेस्ट से बेस्ट को निकालना और छांटना
हाँ
और उनको फिर कहना कि बॉस जो 19-20 है ऐसा नहीं कि
Right.
ना लोग अगर वो बहुत गंदा डांस करते हैं जैसे सॉरी बॉस प्लीज ट्राई अगेन नेक्स्ट टाइम बट इफ दे आर वेरी वेरी गुड व्हाट डू यू से एंड देन वी चूज द बेस्ट सो दैट बिकम्स अ बिग प्रॉब्लम.
The diva herself tell us about So You Think You Can Dance India and I think that's going to be so awesome to know from her about her thoughts. Why would you give me that expression first of all, Madhuri? I want to know that.
Because you're very mischievous and I know you.
No!
And remember something had happened, I remember. You had danced to something or you sang something or what had happened? You please remind me of it.
I'm not
He
even...
does all kinds of naughty things. That's how I remember it.
So she's pretty
With
much
a
aware.
smile.
She's pretty much aware of my harkat. I'm happy that you could not forget me.
Ah, yeah,
But Madhuri, So You Think You
Huh.
Can Dance. I mean, you've spent a lot of years in the States and now आपके पीछे पीछे ये शो भी इंडिया आ चुका है. So how difficult do you think is this as a platform for all the dancers?
Well, I think it's a difficult platform for dancers because first of all, it's not a journey from like a non-dancer to a dancer.
Right.
It's the journey of a dancer. He's already there.
Right.
So he's already here. He has to take the bar up every time he comes on stage. Also, there are stage dancers and there are street dancers.
dancers.
Now they have their own styles and their own niche and their own comfort zones.
Right.
Suddenly they're thrown into a different comfort zone. In the sense, the stage guy will have to do street, the street guys will have to do stage. So that really tests their versatility. And a dancer has to be versatile. He has to be very hardworking, and he has to have that extra something
Right.
to get to the next level.
Every time that you come in these beautiful outfits, these beautiful jewelry, a different look all the time.
Okay.
Are you the mastermind behind it?
Well, yeah, I mean, there's a stylist, and it's not just me. Everybody's helping me to create the look.
Right.
And of course, there's the channel who's saying, no, ऐसा बाल नहीं चाहिए, हमको ऐसा चाहिए, वैसा चाहिए. So It's inputs from everyone.
What is happening with dancewithmadhuri.com? I want to know.
Well,
I'm
it's
curious.
still on. I mean, I have a team.
How do
who's
you give
looking
time
after
over
that.
there?
I give time there too. Dance with Madhuri has his own team,
Right.
has its own team, and everybody is working on it. And there's someone I'm confident about that they'll do a good job.
Right.
We are also on Tata Sky now
Right.
as Dance Studio. That's
Oh, that's
with
called Dance
Madhuri.
Studio?
Yes, that's
Okay.
called Dance Studio on Tata Sky, because in India the last 10 miles, connection is a little difficult.
Right.
In the smaller centers, tier 2, tier 3 cities, the 3G is not very good still.
Right.
We're waiting for the 4G to come.
I have a lot of your fans from all over the world. Okay, that's you can see.
Wow.
Ma'am, a very big fan. Those are kisses. आप सोच रहे हो कि क्या चल रहा है, मैं समझा दूँ. सब चुम्मियाँ भेज रहे हैं आपके लिए यहाँ पे. And everybody is going mad for Madhuri Dixit right here. So you want to give any message to your fans who are watching you live right now?
Oh my God, yes, of course, because they all celebrated my birthday and they made dub smashes, and they made videos, and they made cards, and they made art, and they made these cakes from all over the world, which was
Right.
just, they looked so yummy. So thank you so much, all of you, for doing that for me. You made my day so special.
Right. And before we sign off, since you said कि naughty है, तो एक खुराफाती आइडिया आ गया मेरे दिमाग में. I'm not sure आपने कभी सेल्फी स्टिक लाइफ में पकड़ी है या नहीं पकड़ी है.
नहीं,
पकड़ी
सेल्फी
कभी
स्टिक नहीं, मैं हमेशा सेल्फी लेती रहती हूँ, but not with the
स्टिक
stick.
में नहीं
I've
किया.
never,
तो
yes.
आज मैं माधुरी जी से एक 2 सेकंड का मूव सीखने वाला हूँ, where she is holding a selfie stick and she is the master and she is the controller of everything. So here you go. Let's see what she comes up with right here. So I think it's gonna be.
अखियाँ मिलाओ,
कभी
अखियाँ चुराओ, क्या तूने किया जादू. Not bad, huh? So do it again. Now he's
Oh,
going to
shit,
do it
okay,
and I'm
okay.
going to picturize it.
Fine.
1, 2, 3. अखियाँ मिलाओ, कभी अखियाँ चुराओ, क्या तूने किया जादू.
Thank you so much, Madhuri ji, for
You're
chatting with us,
welcome.
and it was great to chat with you over here. Thank you.
Yes, and all of you. Bye bye. Thanks.
So we had all the judges, and I think they have to start with a show right now. So I'm gonna end the beam right here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this live chat, and I gotta go now. Bye. Take care. See you.